Hello, Rob here from the Flanagan Homestead. I accidentally made a really nice firewood measuring stick for when you're cutting firewood, and there's a number of reasons I like it. It's super cheap, inexpensive, and it has a handle that, or a curve that fits on my handle. I didn't intentionally do that, but it just worked out that way. So I just took some PVC pipe. I think this was probably 1.5 inch PVC pipe. You might want to do a little bit smaller. I'll show you why in a minute as far as fitting on your handle. But I cut it 16 inches. I have a 14-inch mark on here because that's what my wife likes. I put a 12. I never cut 12, but I put it there just because I have a ruler. I might as well have it with me. And the beautiful thing about this is it's not going to get wet and rot, and it's white, and so if it gets dropped in the wood pile, it stands out. You can see it real easily. But the thing that I ended up really liking about this is when I cut the PVC pipe in half, I could set it on the log, and it just sits there, and it doesn't want to roll off. And even better yet, and I did not intend to have this happen, but I can measure out the log, which I did already here, and then I just grab my handlebar and I'm ready to cut my log, and then it's right there. So then I could just go ahead and measure the next one and put it right here, and I'm never putting it down. I'm just cutting the log, holding on to the saw and cutting. It works amazing. Probably cost you about $1. Now, when I started seeing other people do measuring sticks for firewood, I was like, how about you just learn what 16 inches is and sight it and cut it? And I was kind of the smart aleck that always said that. And I could cut pretty accurately just eyeing it out. But it is true that a lot of people that you sell firewood to are making bundles. It stacks when everything's, within a ½ inch of each other, and it stacks really nice. People appreciate that. So go ahead, get yourself a piece of PVC pipe, rip it lengthwise, cut it off. Makes a great firewood saw measuring stick. Thanks for joining me on the Flanagan Homestead, where Christmas trees are my business, teaching, including horticulture, is my job, and outdoor projects like my firewood stand are my passion. Hope to see you again soon. Be blessed, everyone.